bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see.
Oh, Mr. C, how are you?
Well, I'm all right. I'm slaving in a warm kitchen. Barbecuing. This is a man's work. It's never finished.
This is the
I have
ghost.
to work all day, cook. These women have got me bitched, basically. Look, I'm out there barbecuing now.
That's
Honestly.
the two
I'm
girls.
just a slave, aren't I?
They're watching
We really
K-drama.
appreciate you, Steve.
And they have, I don't know what is that.
Gin and lemonade.
Gin and lemonade.
Yeah,
Pink
man's
lemonade.
work's never done.
There you go. And
Where's my beer?
and that barbecue outside. You know? There you go. There we are, ready for barbecue. Jacuzzi is 38 degrees. Still hot. It's hot enough to swim. This is the burgers.
You've touched it.
And
Oh,
the,
hang on a minute now. Nicky's had a bit.
and
Should have
this
sit.
the boss man.
Don't forget it.
There you go. He's not wearing two trousers anyway. And here's our barbecue, guys.
I've got trousers.
Yes. You want a jacket, babe?
No, thank you. I'm hot.
And you know it.
Manisha wants your packetry to use it because this one he doesn't want.
It's like that, is it?
Yeah.
We've got a Mimo, we've got a Nano, we've got a Pocket 3, we've got Action 5, we've got drones, we've got...
Just while I'm here, because I like to zoom in.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can zoom in. It's
Yeah.
on my table at the right of my desk.
Yeah, go get it.
I won't use it now, that's fine. I'll use it later.
There you go. This goes.
Oh my god.
This is my nano one, small camera, but the problem you can't able to turn it.
You can't turn it.
Yeah.
So you can't do the zoomies that I do.
No.
Such a shame. Very
Yes.
shame.
There we go.
She's going to the toilet.
What's the taste of the gin and pink lemonade?
You okay? I feel better now. You feel better?
Well, lemonade.
Oh, yes. We had... There we go. Thank you.
This is Mr. C.
Yeah.
What's the complaint?
Huh?
What's the complaint?
No complaint. I work hard all day, and then at night I'm slaving over a hot stove. My life is very tough.
What's the work this morning?
Huh?
What's the work this morning?
What work, though? Oh yeah, a few phone calls, a couple of emails. And I clocked out at 3:30 because I felt sorry for him. I normally clock out at 5 at time and a half, but
There
I
we
done
go.
myself out about 3 hours today.
Says that's working hard, isn't it?
I'll make up for it next week.
Oh guys, this is our barbecue. Rain or shine, we're still having a barbecue, guys. Belly
Yeah.
pork, baboy, sausages, and don't forget the Stella.
Yeah, if Stella are watching, I'm up for sponsorship deals.
And we have the burgers, and we have the chickens, and Freddy Aguilar background.
Oh, Freddie.
Yeah. Look at the weather. At least it's not raining, guys.
True.
They're having a barbecue. Go.
Dahil sa'yo
You okay, Mr. C?
Yeah, absolutely fine, thank you very much.
Why is not having a gin?
Because the girls are drinking.
Okay.
I've got beer.
Look at these two girls. Not even touch the drink.
I know. Like girls.
See?
We'll get through it. We will. We will.
My goodness. Because how many days they watching this Korean drama? Paano,
We're
I don't
only
know.
on episode 2. We don't need to finish it all today. We'll
There's like
just
16 in the series apparently.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, not enough with one.
Yeah.
You've got interested into it now.
Yeah, I have.
He hated it because I was watching them as well, and you know.
Well, he's interested in it now, so.
Yeah, so
Only this one, I think it's quite funny.
there we go.
Once you start liking one, slowly we'll get you into more.
Just drawing me into the web.
There you go. Mr. C bringing the supply.
Stella.
Tala Artwa. And Freddie Aguilar in the movie. There you go. How's the barbecue?
Yeah, it's good.
How are you, Mr. C? Look at guys. Mr. C is the chef today. Look at the lights. There's the light, guys. May smoking na, babe. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Nearly done. Getting cold. Look at this. Still put the light on.
Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I just how I feel with you today. Guess I'm on my way, my friend.
Feels good. Beer's better.
How about the two girls? Their food and the sneaky enjoying the barbecue. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. Miss Manisha's vlog.
2 hours later.
Make me feel like
can't believe it. I'm joking. He treats you well. Yeah, he does.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.